Friends, if you are a factory owner and you are running a manufacturing plant and if you want automation in your raw material handling like powder, granules, yeah, liquid, then Margo Industries will be a right partner for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Friends, I am your host Shubham and you are watching Engineer on Road. Right now we are in PlastIndia 2026 at Margo Industries stall. As you know, Margo Industries is well-known manufacturer of raw material handling systems in plastic industry and other industries. Right now, a representative of Margo Industries is here. Hello, hi, how are you, sir?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
Fine, fine. Please tell us about your company and about yourself.
My name is Vivek Rajput. I'm regional sales manager at Margo Industries. We are Ahmedabad-based in company. We are over 50-year-old company. Basically, we are into the end-to-end bulk material handling automation solution. To put it simply, I would say we are into auto batching and conveying system. Pneumatic conveying system is our core strength. In addition to that, we are also into mechanical conveying such as belt conveyor, screw conveyor, etc. Wherever powder, liquid or granule materials are used, we can provide our automation solutions.
So right now this is a PlastIndia 2026. So everyone is talking about plastic industry. So is these systems only used in plastic industry or other industries
No,
also?
our major installations are in PVC and plastic industries. However, we are also into other industries such as chemical, food, pharma. So basically, wherever powder, like liquid, granule raw materials are there, we can provide the automation solution, as I told you.
So sir, in PlastIndia 2026, you are showcasing a lot of solution for this industry. Can you explain systems? Yeah.
In this PlastIndia, we have brought complete PVC compounding automation. It includes raw material unloading station for major, minor, as well as auto batching and conveying system. Let's go there and I will explain everything. So as you can see, this is the jumbo bag unloading stations and beneath is the bag 25-50 kg bag feeding station, right? This is for the major raw material. In the PVC compounding, there are so many major raw material like resin, calcium, ATH, Budso. So for that, we provide such kind of jumbo bag unloading station along with the bag feeding station. Here, if you are using jumbo bag, from there you can unload the jumbo bag, and if you are using 25-50 kg bag, you can unload here, right? This particular setup is for calcium. Now, considering the material characteristics, we give the features. So since the calcium is sticky material and it grabs moisture from the atmosphere, so we have provided lumps breaker. Apart from that, we have also given anti-dusting system, and in the feeding device we have given the screw feeder. So that was all about the major raw material.
So it's all about like customizable products. So if you have any type of requirement, you can ask from company. You will tailor according to that.
Like, we send a complete questionnaire to the customer, and we do consulting. We ask them how many major raw material do you have, what is the consumption, and based on that we make the complete design. So that was about the major raw material. This is our special product. This is for the additives in PVC compounding. Along with the major raw material like resin, calcium, there are some additives like lubricants, stabilizers, processing aids, foaming agents, right? So for this we have developed. Here we have brought 3 hopper system, but it is customized product. Based on your additives we can make. If you are using 6 additives, then there will be 6 hopper. If you are using 10 additives, then there will be 10 hoppers. Here you have to unload the bag, right? This is the weighing hopper. The complete setup is synced with the PLC and SCADA, right? Your recipes are stored there. With one click, it would be weighed here. This is the resin hopper. This is for the 25 kg. If you are going to use jumbo bag, then that structure can be mounted here, right? So your resin will be here, additives will be weighed here. What we do, now these are the unloading stations for major and minor raw material. So this all major raw material and minor material unloading stations are connected to the vacuum silo. It is also known as suction scale. This comes above the mixer, right? Through pipeline it is connected. With the help of vacuum blower, vacuum will be generated, and this complete setup is synced with the SCADA. So whatever recipe or formula you have got, based on that individual material will go there, will be weighed there, complete batch will be weighed, and it will be dosed into the heater mixer. So we have covered mixer feeding automation. Even post compounding, we have got automation solution. As you can see here, this is the mixer. After mixer, once the compound comes out, there is a vibro sieve solution we give. So the compound goes into the sieving, and after sieving, if one wants to have compounding, blend silos, we can give that. So using pressure conveying, it will go into the compound silo. So after sieving via pressure conveying, the compound will be conveyed to the blend silos, recipe silos. You can have as many silos as your recipes are there. So this is the compound silo feeding automation. So post compound, the compound will be conveyed to extruders via hopper loader vacuum conveying system. So this is the third stage. If we talk about the stages in the automation, we have all the stages covered, starting from mixer feeding to siever feeding to silo feeding to extruder feeding. We have got end-to-end bulk material handling automation solution.
So, if I am a factory owner, so can you tell us about what are the benefits of this type of automation system in factory?
There will be minimal manual intervention in the operation, so you will have a peace of mind. Second thing, this is being operated by SCADA system and automation, so you will get good accuracy. So there will be consistent product quality you will get. Apart from that, this is the closed loop system from your raw material unloading to the mixer feeding to the siever feeding to the silo and to the extruder feeding. So it's a complete closed loop system, so there will be minimum dusting spillage. So these are the major benefit of having automation. If I have to summarize in one sentence, so you will get a peace of mind.
So tell me one thing, I heard a lot on social media about your company ki you are going to launch a new product in this exhibition. So what are that
Yeah, you are absolutely right. If I tell you, if you see our journey over the period of time, we have kept doing innovation. Earlier we brought minor additive system. Now we have brought up with this system. This is the robotic bag cutting system. If you see for jumbo bag, there is a solution. But for 25 kg bag, when it comes to 25-50 kg bag, it is quite cumbersome and labor intensive job, right? So to eliminate that, we have developed this system. This is the integrated system. Let me just walk you through with the nomenclature. This is the robot, right? This is the hopper where material is to be unloaded. Above it, there is a cutting arrangement, right? It is completely integrated system. It is pre-programmed. There will be dedicated material collected area. There will be dedicated material scrapping area. The robot will pick the bag. It will bring on the top of the hopper. Here there is a cutting arrangement. So it will move the bag. There will be precise slit will be made. The bag will be emptied. It will also check. So it ensures maximum amount of materials are unloaded. And from here, if you have existing automation, you can integrate with it. So so far there was solution only for after the material is unloaded, but we have gone beyond that mindset, but we have brought the solution even to unload the material.
So the minimum human intervention will required, and you will get
इसका major benefits ये है कि there will be no manual intervention. Robot will do all the work and you will get better output and productivity. And even if you see the slit, it makes a precise slit. So dusting भी कम रहता है और material loss is quite less. So these are the major benefit of having this system.
So as a factory owner, why shall I will choose you as a raw material handling partner for my?
It's a great question. There are two major things. First thing, we are customer oriented. If you see our solution, it is not templated solution, right? We have designed our solution based on the process challenges and operational needs. So that's why customer choose us, because every time we bring some changes, right, which are based on the customer's pain point. That is the first thing. Second thing, we are service oriented. If you see, even once the system is installed, we won't leave our customer in lurch. Our sales teams and service team support will be flexible, responsive, and as much focused as it was earlier. So these are the main points why people choose us.
So if anyone from my viewers want to contact you, learn more about your company, where they can visit?
So we have one website. It is www.margoindustries.com. Our official email ID is sales@margoindustries.com. Anyone is looking for such kind of automation solution, they can send inquiry. Our sales team, we have regional wise sales team. The sales representative will contact you and will consult you.
So okay, Vivekji, thank you for explaining all these systems for our viewers. Once again, thank you.
Thank you so much.
If you require this type of solutions in your factory, you have to visit their website, and you can directly contact on this number. And thank you for your viewers.